So your MoonSwatch is ready for a new watch band? Yeah, let's change this puff velcro thing to something more in. You will need a spring bar tool or even a knife, but you might scratch your bio-ceramic watch. So yes, gently disconnect spring bar and pull watch band out. Take your time, don't rush it. It is easy to damage plastic. If you have the right technique and tools, it should be easy and scratchless. If you're looking for right watch band for any MoonSwatch, head into the description and look for product links. Lacquer width on MoonSwatches is 20mm and they go with any styles, leather, NATO, even steel. I have video on replacing battery in MoonSwatch where I showing couple tricks related to the watch. Make sure you check that one out. Links to watch tools are in description of this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.